Hi. Welcome home. Come on in. Wash, dry, fold, wear, repeat. I try to do my bedding once a week, but sometimes it's two, till I can get back into town. Picking up Beryl from Smart and Final, we drop her at Costco and head to Carnedas to pick up some fresh veggies. I'm gonna try to make something with these cactus nepalitos with whatever meat I get. I got some cilantro and a fresh poblano. Check out these deli meats and cheese, ham and turkey. Bacon. Some hot chicken drumettes, and I think that's plantanas. Some kind of good cheese, not sure what yet. What are these? Anybody know? Leave a comment. These are jellos. Olives and pulpo and salsa and crema and string cheese, oxana and cojita. I decided on the oxana, which is a leg of mozzarella, a Mexican style string cheese. I want that so bad. De mostrador de carne, to get some meat. Look at that. Next time. And here you can see into the kitchen where they're roasting some chickens and deep frying some chicken legs, I believe. Got some cilantro, some oxana cheese, which is kind of like mozzarella, but it doesn't have salt.
Yeah, I could live on cilantro and onion steak tacos.
Heck yeah. What else we got in the picnic basket? Got some rice. Oh, nice. I got some meat. That'll be another video. This is a beef shank center cut. What else? I got some. Oops. No palitos, frescos. Some fresh onion. And this is what I want to try right now. Jalapeno cheese. Ooh. This is the jalapeno cheese. It's a semi-soft cheese, similar to a hard ricotta, with fresh, crisp jalapenos slices. Oh, and some guacamole. Back at the ranch. We're enjoying sunset and having sky appreciation. Ooh, remarkable.
I guess it's
When that doctor asked me, son, how'd you do in this condition? I said, hey, Sawbones, I'm just carrying on a family tradition. So ask me, halfway, why did you drink? When you were smoke, why was you the songs that she wrote? Stop and think it over. Try and put yourself in my unique position. If I get stoned and sing all night long, it's a family tradition. That was for MJ.
Engine was just at a full wolf. So it was